How to log in into your Shopify main dashboard or the admin dashboard. It's very simple. You just wanted to go ahead and go to shopify.com. And then from here, obviously, you just wanted to click on login on the top right. Now, once you create your account, you should be able to remember your email and password. So just go ahead and add that. Now, mine is already saved, but for you, you just want to click on, if you don't see that option that, your account is actually saved, you would want to just go ahead and you will find this, you will find this screen. Now, if you're on the screen, here's the thing. When you actually signed up, if you signed up with Google, you will need to click on sign up or sign in with Google. If you did sign up with Facebook, same thing goes here, and same goes for the Apple sign up as well. So whichever method that you actually used to sign up, you will need to be using once you actually try to log in. If you try to log in with email, once you actually enter the email, it's also going to tell you to log in via Google, if that's what you actually signed up with. Now, let's say you did create your account by your email and password, then in that case, you only need to just go ahead and enter your email over here. So I'm just going to enter mine real quick. And just click on continue with email. And then it's just going to go ahead and sign me in with Google, because that's the method that I signed up with. For you, it may ask you for a password if that's the case for you. So for example, if you did sign up with a password, then you are going to basically be asked to enter that password. So once you actually sign in, whether it's going to be by password, Facebook, Apple, or Google, you should find yourself in the main dashboard, and you'll be able to do whatever you actually want to do in your Shopify store. Now, here's the thing. Now, you may not always be logged in into the same store that you actually want to use. So in that case, you just want to head on over to the top right corner on your screen, click on that, and then you will find the different stores that are related to that specific account. So in this account, I have two different stores here. One of which is actually active, which is this one that I'm using, and then there's another one that is not active. And you can also just click on all stores here, and you can just go ahead and see all the different stores that you have, active and inactive, both of which you can actually feel free to view and see for yourself. If you want to adjust your login information, you can just again click on my store on the top right, click on manage account, and then you can just go ahead and go to security, for example, and set a password if you logged in with Google. This way you can, next time you'll be able to add the password prompt, and you can actually see from the general view here that you can log in using Google. You can actually disconnect that and add a password instead if you want to or prefer to. But this is pretty much all. And now you're in the dashboard. You can do whatever you want, adjust your online store and all of these things. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.